Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 14 Pro Max with a broken display, a busted back cover, and we'll have to fix it right now. So as what you can see here, the screen is half white with green lines across the display. It's also bleeding on the side. The back cover is taped up and in very bad state. And the display is also lifted up, so you can see gaps on the display, which made it easier for us to remove the display. The battery on this one is aftermarket. We also offer this type of replacement battery for the iPhone. You can see it's labeled as crazy, but it's not really crazy because it works. It's a reliable battery replacement for iPhones. And you have an iPhone 14 Pro Max here. It's quite powerful device. And we'll have to remove the bracket for the main board. We have to detach the battery and the connectors for the display. So the problem with this also is the housing is bent to heck. You can see here David will use some pliers to straighten it out, especially pulling it outwards because the SIM card tray, you can see here in the SIM card tray area, the side is caved in. So it took some time for us to return it to its usual position because it is important that this is straight because the display will need to rest inside the housing gaps, and it shouldn't have any gaps at all because the clips will have to clip in and the adhesive tape will also have to adhere to the sides of the housing, and we'll have to test fit the display here. The replacement display is flawless, no issues. It's not our main concern for now. Our main concern is how to make this replacement display fit on this housing. You see their touch is okay, colors are okay, the battery is fully charged. We'll have to detach this Face ID module from the old display because the replacement display doesn't have this rather flimsy module. See there, you can properly shut down the iPhone, no issues. Need to detach the battery again, connector for the display. We'll transplant this module that we have removed from the old display. It's got 3 tiny screws, and we'll go back our focus to the housing, still the same spot. And because this is aluminium, this is the housing or metal. I think this is already made up of stainless steel. I'm not really sure. You can still bend it, but you have to be very careful not to scratch it up or bend it too much. You can see here David is using the replacement display as measuring device. We'll have to test fit again with the module already attached, just to make sure that it will fit with everything already attached behind the display. So the replacement screen also has these clips that have to clip in, and it seems okay, but really David is very meticulous. There's still gaps on here, so how to mark up the parts that are still problematic. and we'll bend it more off screen. So the replacement display, the screen replacement is actually pretty easy, standard, but the restoration of the housing is something that we don't really encounter all that much. So that took a while, and this is our reassembly. This is the final reassembly. We'll put back all the connectors and screws, and we'll do our final testing. So if you're interested in fixing your iPhone 14 Pro Max's display or replace the battery, it's still pretty easy, but you would want proper tools to remove the screws, because iPhones use different screws and those screws are very, very small. If you don't have any experience, go to your local service technician, service center, and don't go to Apple. If you have this issue and you bring this to Apple, if you're under warranty, they'll just replace the device. If you're not under warranty, you don't have Apple Care, they will ask you to buy a brand new smartphone, which is not really cost effective and doesn't benefit you as a consumer. With David here, he will do everything to save the smartphone. So you can see there the housing is busted up, but he still managed to salvage it with the new display. You can see here it's all good. The back cover is a different story. We have to live with that. Don't really have a spare back cover, but this one is all good. We'll have to put a tempered glass over this brand new display, and it costs a fraction of the total cost of the iPhone 14 Pro Max if you bought it brand new. So this is it. This is the final step, and we're done. We'll show you the before and after. There you go. Thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.